Welcome to another walking stick video, or maybe even a cane. We have about 40-inch piece of hard ash, beautifully dried. Look at that detail inside, beautiful. Got a nice little, I don't know what you would call this, just it's not quite where a branch was, but little obstruction here. Made a nice part for maybe a handle, something I want to do with that. Got a few little bump outs here which will all trim down. We're going to take the bark off and see what we can make of this. Beautiful coloring. It's nice medium brown inside, so I think it's going to turn out really nice. Stay tuned. And I think we're just about done all the sanding. We have a nice oak top with toasted or roasted ash. Another piece of oak here. All down on an ash stick. Kept the natural features here. Did a dot pattern spiral. Little chip carving detail. Whole thing is about 3 feet high. All tapering down, of course, to our small little 5/8 foot. What we're going to do is put on some boiled linseed oil and watch these colors pop. I think this one's going to be very nice. So what we have is a little foam applicator. Find this one, it's just left over. I don't know where I got it from actually, but got a bunch of them and they hold liquid pretty well. But a piece of cotton will work too. So, let's start here. Very nice. That oak, a lot darker than I expected, but it's going very nicely. Look at that. That is a stunning topper. And this piece of ash, the stick, tons of coloring in it. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Darkening up beautifully with the boiled linseed oil. Stunning. Let me finish this off and show you how it is when it's all soaked in. So we finalized the stick. Here it is all dried with the boiled linseed oil. And you see beautiful oak topper, a little bit of toasted ash, another little oak transition, and the stick itself. Just beautiful coloring. Little rubber foot at the end. Makes a nice little handle right there. Perfect for walking. Nice and solid. Hope you enjoyed the video. And leave all your comments and questions below, and I'll get to them. Thanks.